and welcome back to the Daily Charm channel. I'm Catherine of Case Polish, and today we're going to play with some art inks. I'm going to make 3 different demonstrations, but for the first one, I'm going to go with Charm Gel number 002 Perfect White as a base color. Once you've painted your base color, you also want to make sure you cleanse it so you don't have any tacky layer. And I'm going to marble on top of it with the black art ink. There's really no science to forming a perfect marble. You just go as you feel and place random lines on the nail, and that's as simple as that. Once your ink is on, you grab your blending fluid and go over the lines that you just made. Do not worry if you're not satisfied with the look yet. You just need to go ahead and repeat the same steps with your ink and blending fluid until you're happy with how the nail looks. Once you're happy with the look, make sure you let everything completely air dry and then seal your artwork using the 5-in-1 straightening gel. Cure it for 60 seconds and then top everything with your favorite top coat. Here I'm using the Diamond Shine top coat. Cure it for another 60 seconds and there you go. Effortless marble look. Now let's repeat the process with a more colorful look this time. Our base color is one of the new Charm Gels, number 006, Lovey Dovey. I'll be using the art inks in aqua, purple, and hot pink. I want to go for a gradient look, so I'll start with aqua on top, purple in the middle, and hot pink at the tip. Just like with the previous look, the next step is the blending fluid. To continue with the 5-in-1 straightening gel, top coat, and voila! Now for the third and last look, I used Charm Gel 605 Lemon Meringue, which is also part of the newest colors. Now this time, instead of just cleansing the nail, I'm going to use the Velvet Matte top coat. The first art ink color I'll use is the orange one, then the red one, I'll play a little bit with the blending fluid. To finish with the brown art ink. And it doesn't have to stop there. Here I'll add a little touch of sparkle with Charm Gel G01 24K Magic. And to make this the perfect fall look, I'll grab the jewelry gel in a tube and add some fall leaves. And to add the leaves, I am using my favorite crystal pickup tool. Cover all of that with the 5-in-1 straightening gel, top coat, and there you go. As you can see, the possibilities with the art inks are endless. These are the 3 looks we created together today, and I'm curious. Please let us know in the comments which one of these 3 you prefer. And so that is it for this video. I hope you learned a lot and that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel as well as mine so you don't miss the next videos. That being said, I will wish you guys a good day. Bye!